Have you ever felt like you couldn't think straight? Like your desires were controlling you? That's lust. And when it's mixed with manipulation, it can turn you into someone else's slave, emotionally, psychologically, even physically. Today I'm going to show you how it happens, and why so many smart people fall into this trap. It starts subtly. You meet someone who's charming, attractive, and exactly what you've been dreaming of. Your heart races, your mind blanks, every logic, every warning gets drowned out by desire. This is not love. This is biological lust, a chemical reaction that makes you vulnerable. The dark psychology comes into play when they realize this power. A master manipulator will use your lust to control you. They know exactly how to keep you hooked. They give just enough attention to make you hopeful, then withhold it to make you anxious. They use sexual flair to distract you from problems, arguments, or red flags. They make you dependent on their affection, making it feel impossible to walk away. Slowly, you start sacrificing your needs, your friends, even your principles, just to keep them happy, or to get their attention again. This is emotional enslavement. And because lust feels good, your brain doesn't see the trap until it's too late. A common example: you ignore warning signs, disrespect, lies, subtle humiliation, because the moment they touch you or look at you, all reasoning vanishes. Your brain releases dopamine, and you start linking pleasure with their control. You're trained to seek them, to obey them, without even realizing it. The worst part? They don't have to be evil in the classic sense. It's the psychological dynamics of lust and attention that enslave you. Sexual desire plus manipulation equals emotional slavery. So how do you protect yourself? Recognize when your desires override logic. Pay attention to red flags, not just the moments of pleasure. Keep friends and family close. They see what you might miss. Take time to think before getting too involved. Desire should never replace judgment. Remember, lust can be addictive. It can make you obey, forgive, and sacrifice more than you should. Knowing this psychology is the first step to breaking free. Don't let your desires make you a slave. Learn to control your mind before someone else does.